Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a perfect recipe of roasted Brussels sprouts. And of course, Brussels sprouts is a funny looking vegetable that belongs to a cabbage family, and for some of us is not the vegetable of choice. But today I'm gonna make you love your Brussels sprouts again, because we're gonna roast them the perfect way and they're gonna look and taste delicious. So let's get started. You're gonna need 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts, half a pound of smoked bacon, maybe 5 or 6 cloves of garlic and a fresh rosemary, half a cup of dry cranberries, some salt to taste, some freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil for drizzling. First, we're gonna need to clean our Brussels sprouts, and that outer leaf we need to remove because it's not very tasty. And we're gonna cut the little buds, and if they're too large, we're gonna cut them in half. And look at them now, how perfectly clean and bright green. Then we need to boil them for exactly 3 minutes, and don't salt the water, otherwise it's gonna make them look brown, especially if your salt contains iodine. And then we're gonna drain them on the double paper towel or just a regular kitchen towel. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the bottom of your roasting pan, and we're gonna put our Brussels sprouts in. Just spread them around. Add your bacon, and as you noticed, I'm adding raw bacon because it's gonna start cooking in the oven and it's gonna crispen up. And then add your garlic and some fresh rosemary. Then we're gonna add our dried cranberries, some salt to taste, and of course a lot of freshly ground black pepper. That's gonna make them taste delicious. We're gonna drizzle it again with extra virgin olive oil, toss them all around, and they're ready to go in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you have a perfectly cooked Brussels sprouts with the smoked bacon, some dried cranberries that are gonna add some sweetness to this dish, and with the roasted garlic and fresh rosemary. Look how beautiful it is. It's just gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.